Okay.
Hi, this is Pam McCarley, EXIT Realty Blues City from our Jackson office. Today I'm talking with Francine Simon from our Germantown office. And it's good to have you here, Francine.
Well, it's good to be here. How are you, Pam?
I'm doing good. So why don't you start us off by telling us why you're in real estate?
Well, the reason I'm in real estate is because it's something I've always wanted to do. As a young girl, my mom would take me to open houses and we would go and look at, you know, the open houses and go to where they had, what do you call it, model homes. And
Yeah.
I just enjoyed going and looking at the different homes and watching the expressions that was on people's face and the things that they were saying until as I grew up, I made it something that I did on a regular basis. And then when I found out about the Vesta homes, I started going to that. And then I decided to take one of my boys, and he enjoyed it. So now each year we make it our business to schedule to go to the Vesta Home Show. And so now my husband enjoys. So it's just something I like doing and like hearing the different opinions of what people are saying about homes. And I just like, how it make people feel. It puts them in a different mood. They're smiling, people are talking, and it's just something I like doing.
Wow, that's very interesting. So you've been thinking about this for a while.
I have. I just wished I had did it earlier. I started to, and then I stopped, and I just wished I had picked it back up earlier than waiting so long to pick it back up.
Yeah. Well, it's never too late.
No, it's
So I know you focus on Germantown. Can you tell us about any other areas you might focus on?
well, there's Collierville and Cordova, the Memphis area, Arlington, Tennessee, and they have Mason, Tennessee, and Oakville, Tennessee. We have a lot of surrounding areas, around Memphis that I uh, I work with.
Mhm.
So,
So what would you like to tell us about you that maybe would be interesting to folks that might be looking for a house right now?
well, I would be dedicated to them and helping them from start to finish find what it is that will get them to the next level. And I would make the transition just as easy as I can. And any questions that they had, I would answer. And if I didn't know, I would make it my business to find out that answer for them to make them feel just as comfortable from start to finish.
Well, thank you for being with me today.
But thank you, Pam. I thank you for having me.
All right, we'll talk to you again.
Talk
Come
to you.
visit us in the Jackson office sometime.
I will. I'm looking forward to doing that soon.